I'm listening to Agitate. He got the right mindset. I was trying to implode that shit with my wife, but she wasn't fuck with it. Next day I come home, I walk in, and she fucking another dude in my bed. I freak the fuck out. I throw shit around.
But I low-key liked it because I watched Nico.
I mean, honestly, with you, bro, I calmed down. I'm like, you know what? Continue this shit. I want to watch. Sneeko told me, like, you know how he is. You know how he is. Yeah. I'm fucking with Sneeko. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, Eli, what the fuck? Yo. Hello.
Can I ask you a question?
What's the question?
Oh, it's very simple. Can you make me laugh?
You can make it squirt.
404 slime.
What up, Jet?
Is that Tom Holland?
Yo, what the fuck? You look like Tom Holland. Hey, hold on. Pull your hair back. Pull your hair back.
This camera's so bad.
I don't take commands from fucking being retard.
Oh,
yo. Whoa.
Yo, say Tom Holland.
Is your last name Hernandez?
Oh.
Is your last name fucking?
What did you say? Can't be saying that on here, bro. That's offensive.
Yeah.
Scared
this freaky ass nigga. Freak his word off my screen.
Get your freaky ass on!
Oh, Brielle. You want to see it?
As I was watching it, not gonna lie, bro, I was feeling a certain way about the guy. I saw him giving her strokes, and low-key, I was into that. I was like wondering how that shit would feel.
Like, bro, I even thought about that for a second. Like,
what the fuck?
You know what I'm saying? Them girls be like, low-key, so good, you got some good, you got some girls be crying, you got some girls screaming.
Yeah.
Like,
Dude,
like,
no,
like,
dude's
I
into
really
it. Bro's into
No
his
way. This nigga's chatting.
Like,
No wonder.
Oh, you don't even have to be a girl, bro. Not gonna lie, you ain't gotta be a girl. Just shit, me and you.
I can't take dick through the booty, bro.
Hey, man. You never know if you can if you don't try.
Okay, I'm giving it.
Like me, I'm gonna start farting.
But I can. No, but I can.
Hey, I can though. I'll take it up my ass for you.
If you do duos, I'll join.
That's all you had to say. 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 That's all you had to say.
You want to show face or I'm skipping?
No.
Damn.
I ain't fuck out of here, then, bitch.
Whoa.
Yo, this nigga
He ain't saying
man
shit. He's just quiet now.
Fuck. This nigga was like a whole ass
18 from
30-year-old.
Like, man, like he could actually apply for a job. Oh wait.
Yo, I'm finna fucking shave this beard if y'all keep on being on my dick.
Ugly ass.
Yo, shut your bitch ass up. Where you from? I'll pull up right now, ho. I'll pull up right now, ho. Come on, quit being scary. Quit being scary. Send that fucking address right now, bitch. I'll fuck you up.
Like niggas from the lower. Human niggas from the lower.
Emo ass nigga. Nigga got the Sasuke cut. What the fuck?
Who's he talking to? Is this nigga schizo?
You talking to?
Why is you kicking your feet in a car with two niggas?
Yo, we don't see who the fuck you talking to.
You get so?
I was talking to. It was like a
nigga. There was nobody there, bro.
There was. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I'm finna get butt ass naked. It's hot as shit. Hey, listen, you didn't hear that? I'm so sorry. I'm a man of God.
Reset. Can we reset? Reset. Bring it back.
Hold on.
Hi. What's going on?
It's kind of hot in here.
It really is. Not gonna lie, it is.
You said it's hot?
Yes, it's hot. It's hot.
Yeah.
Take your clothes off.
What the fuck happened? What the fuck happened? Niggas had a fucking black.
Who's the one on the right?
He's my cousin as well.
What's good, bro?
Damn, nigga, what the fuck?
He's your cousin? Like by blood?
They're both mixed with black, and I'm mixed with Filipino.
Mixed? That nigga is dark.
say it like that. God,
Mixed with black.
That
That is
nigga
a
is dark.
Mexican.
A black
That
man.
is dark as shit.
That is a full black man from that motherland, Nigeria.
Nigga said Nigeria.
There's not a speck of Asian in that man.
They're both Mexican and black, and I'm Asian and Mexican.
I thought you said you was Filipino.
Filipino's Asian, stupid. Yeah, he's Mexican. and black.
Bro, gotta be retarded.
They're on my mom's side.
Okay,
That nigga is.
it's a good thing you told us that you were.
Yeah, bro, no.
My first
Guess
stop.
you would like the porno type thing.
He like,
You look like an Oreo because it was me in the middle.
What?
Wait,
And
you
then-
had both of them at your
why are
side?
you describing it?
Well, no, that's not what I'm saying. No, Listen, please. Listen, please. No, I meant like I was sitting in the middle because we were like, you guys were like the computer was over. Sorry, the computer was over there, and I was like in the middle, and then they were like both beside me, and people were like, "What the fuck is that, an Oreo?" And I was like, "No, they're my cousins," and then they fucking skipped us. We weren't doing nothing. We were just sitting there.
Insane story.
Guys, I get sexualized as a 16-year-old girl.
Oh shit.
Tori, this is his territory. I'm out.
What do you mean this is my territory?
What?
Y'all streamers or YouTubers?
Nah. But you know what we are? We're porn stars.
God.
Lil
Nigga,
Durk
why
is
is you on here with
insane.
no shirt off? Put your fucking shirt on.
Some nigga tugging
You a
his
freaky
shit.
ass nigga.
Are you stroking your shit?
You saw that, bro? He was just deep stroking
You
his
just
shit.
stared
He was
at the
just
camera
deep.
Yo.
Are you letting your ass hang from your shorts, bro?
That nigga cooling his ass off. That nigga
I mean, that's what you doing.
He got the fan pointing at his
Put
ass.
a fan pointing at your ass. You just chilling on the day. What's up
Yeah,
with you?
this freaky ass nigga.
Jeez,
Oh,
bro.
where the hoes at, bro?
You scared him away.
He's scared of the
No,
hoes.
you know who scared him away? This motherfucker. He scared the hoes away.
Yeah, okay, he did it again, bro.
Yo, no, sucking your cheeks as well. Sucking your cheeks while doing it, and like plump your lips to a smirk.
Nigga look like Seer.
Wait, what? Like plump your lips to a smirk while you're also sucking it in. Like,
Yeah, and then suck your cheeks in and just have like a serious face. Don't this nigga look like
There is
Seer?
no such thing as a coincidence.
This nigga look like
yo.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Oh, you so fucking weird, bro. I can't. I can't.
Shake some.
Shake some. Shake some.
Take off your coat. Shake some.
Shake some.
Shake some.
Hey, don't worry. I'm gonna take it up the butt. You gonna stream that shit for your channel. We got that. Great money right there, bro.
I bet I got you. All right, bro.
All
You
right.
safe, bro.
You too, bro.
His longest conversation was some gay shit.
Yes. What's good, bro?
Yo.
Shiesty.